I want to try to make a book cloth at home with what I have. I've cut a piece of fabric from a dress that I've never worn, and I've washed and ironed it to prepare it. I took a piece of white paper, similar to tissue paper, and I ironed that as well. After that, I applied a layer of glue and adhered the paper to the fabric, trying to avoid wrinkles. It wasn't exactly easy, but I believe the result is quite good. I let the book cloth dry, and the next day I glued the parts of the book cover together. And here it is, a new cover crafted entirely by me. I think it turned out pretty well for my first attempt. What do you think? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon in the next video.